In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Trade Nation account on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, linking these two powerful tools can significantly enhance your trading experience by giving you access to advanced charting tools and real-time market data. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView homepage. If you're a regular, you might already know that TradingView is a robust platform for creating sophisticated charts and conducting thorough market analysis. If you haven't yet signed up for an account, it's important to do so to access all the nifty features it has to offer. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll find yourself on the main chart window. From here, everything is accessible, and you'll start your process by focusing on the trading panel option. As you immerse yourself in the charting area, look downwards toward the bottom of the screen. You'll notice several tabs, and one of them will be marked as the trading panel. Give it a click. This panel is your gateway to connecting broker accounts like Trade Nation, offering you seamless trading right from your TradingView screen. Now that you got your trading panel open, it's time to search for Trade Nation. You'll want to locate the search option within the panel and type in Trade Nation. This step helps you to pinpoint the exact connection you're looking for out of several options available, ensuring that you're setting up with the right broker. Once Trade Nation populates in your search results, click on it. This action takes you a step closer to merging your trading tools. Clicking on Trade Nation is essentially the setup handshake. It's this interaction that brings these platforms together, allowing them to communicate effectively and facilitate your trades seamlessly. To finalize the connection process, you'll be prompted to click on the Connect button. This is where the rubber meets the road. Upon clicking Connect, you will be directed to a new window or tab that asks you to log into your Trade Nation account. Use your login credentials to proceed. This connection not only validates your access, but also ensures that your trading decisions on TradingView translate directly into actions on your Trade Nation account. And there you have it. With your accounts connected, any trades or analyses done on TradingView can now be executed in your Trade Nation account with the efficiency and convenience of just a few clicks. It's all about enhancing your trading experience by making your analysis and execution as seamless as possible. Remember, this powerful